I hope you have watched the first video to get a sense of basic knowledge about the neck and the cervical. In this video, I'm going to talk about ideal postures and the common mistakes which we do in our day-to-day life, and to so how we can reduce this neck pain. So let me just ask you some questions that they might reveal some common causes of the neck pain. Okay. So, are you making these common mistakes? So, let's say, do you spend a lot of time on your smartphones or these small screen like tablets, laptops, and iPads? Okay. You find sometimes you end up sleeping on your stomach, or you get sometimes you're comfortable by sleeping on your stomach, or do you s- do you carry a backpack on your side of your body, like, or maybe a heavy briefcase in your hand? So now, more than likely, if you have a neck pain, you would have answered yes to any of those questions. Okay. So the particular posture that leads to neck pain and trouble for so many people nowadays is known as forward head posture, which I have covered in the first video. And the chances are high that you find yourself in this position without even realizing it multiple times a week. So let's talk about the sleeping postures. So ideally we have to sleep on our left side, on the hard side, and make sure our neck is aligned properly. Neck is not hanging down too much, or neck is not if you're taking a higher pillow, you might end up having the neck sprain also. You have to be very cautious. Your spine has to be aligned in any position if you're sleeping. Okay. I hope you must be aware. This one picture can resonate with your day-to-day life, and most of the people are using Netflix and watching TV and watching videos before going to bed like this. And guys, this is the worst position. That's why people are having these morning stiffness, neck pain because of this. One of the factors is using smartphones like this, right? So what you can change? So the simple modification आपको करना कुछ नहीं है. Elevate your neck like this with a small cushion and make sure your hands are rested. आपके elbows rested होने चाहिए while watching these on the smartphones. So let's talk about the towel role of the towel. So if somebody has told you, like some doctor has told you, some physician has told you, like if you have a neck pain, you should not use pillow. Sorry. So if you're not comfortable with the pillow, I would suggest please do take towel roll under your neck, so that your neck is you have to maintain your neck curvature, which is S shape, which I have spoken in the first video. So that's why so no worries, don't take the pillow, but make sure you take towel roll and put it under the neck just to maintain that curvature. Otherwise, trust me, it will hurt your spine badly. So the other common mistakes which people use: watching videos like this on sideways. Again, it's a common causes of the neck pain early in the morning. So what is the so this is before smartphone ergonomics consulting. Like, people are looking like this. If you search on Google, आपको सब कुछ ये मिलेगा कि you have to make sure your smartphone has to be at your eye level, which is not true. The ideal posture is your as I said in the webinar also, your elbows has to be rested, your shoulders has to be rested, right? So make sure you practice these postures, please. If you're using laptops on the couches, beanbags, or recliners, people use like this. I would suggest take some cushions under your laptops, and make sure you're not hunching over the laptop. You're not maintain your You have to maintain your shoulders has to be back. This is again common problems of the people which while using the smartphones. This is how this which I've talked about in the first video. The strain comes to our neck is more than 30 kgs. This is how is this angle. So just imagine this angle is more than 45 to 60 degrees, 30 to 45 degrees, I guess. And that's how the amount of strain on our this neck comes to more than 30 kgs. So this is the modification you can do. Just practice this again while sitting. So I have talked about smartphones while standing, smartphones while standing with this posture, smartphone while sitting with this posture is the common problem. See, this is how, this is, see the angle, this is how you can adjust. आपको कुछ नहीं करना, आपको just आपके जो elbows हैं, you just have to rest it on your stomach. As simple as that. Okay. So guys, don't let the bad posture be a pain in the neck. So it's a very big topic. It's difficult to cover every aspect. Even the sleeping postures takes a lot of time. So just get ready with your questions. I'll be definitely answer in the Q&A sessions in from 7 to 8 p.m. So there is a little homework for you. Just calculate your screen time. Means like calculate means if you're watching videos, if you're watching, if you're using smartphones, if you're watching doing anything, any work on your laptops, or if you're watching videos on your watching anything on your TV also, all digital screens just calculate the screen time. So most of the smartphone features have this great feature of calculating the screen time. Just observe that, and I'll see you in the next one. I want you to answer this, how many hours you are actually using the screen time. Thank you so much.